Hi, Ross at Racetech. This video is just going to show you how we install the O-ring in our Lycoming valve covers. First step, a little bit of oil here, Q-tip. Want to go all around the O-ring groove here. Get some oil in the groove. Next step, take the O-ring, oil on your fingers here, get it lubricated really well. You can set the O-ring over the valve cover. We can push one of the flat sections here just in a little bit with our fingers just to get it started. Then we want to take a aluminum piece of round stock that's radiused on the corner, or a piece of wood doweling works well. Don't want anything really hard here. We just want to start pushing this O-ring straight down into the groove like this. We don't want to use a pushing motion like this as we put the O-ring in. Always straight down. If you push like this, you'll slightly stretch the O-ring, and when you get to the far end, you'll have a loop like this sticking up, and that's no good like that. So do make sure you push the O-ring just straight into the groove. And that's it. And what you should have when you're done is the O-ring sitting flat all the way around here. And that's all there is to it. Hope that was useful.